to know you. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. We are doing a series of 10th class mathematics. As a part of this, we are now in the chapter probability. We have done 3 classes on probability where we have discussed very important basics, and in our previous class we have discussed about what are elementary events, what are mutually exclusive events, and what are complementary events, which is very important, and we have discussed a formula related to complementary events, and we have done some problems there. Okay, if you haven't watched those videos, please do watch them. The link will be in the description. Okay, then you come back. Okay, then you will be understanding the class in a clean manner. Okay, then you will not get any doubts none. In this class we are going to discuss about deck of cards. What do you mean by deck of cards? Everyone knows what are cards. Okay, what are cards? The playing cards. No, when we got holidays, most of our elders will be playing with cards. You might be knowing what are cards. Okay, so see here in the cards, what are the numbers we have, what are the letters we have, okay, what types of cards we have, what types of symbols we have. So that is very important for us to solve the problems related to cards. First of all, you should have complete understanding about the cards. Okay, so what are the cards present in the deck? That means most of the students will be telling that yes, there will be A, there will be 2, there will be 3. Most of the students will be telling that there will be joker also. But see here we are not considering the joker card. Okay, so joker card is not there in our deck. So what are the cards available in the deck? Let us observe them. Okay, now so see here, first of all, what are the numbers we have? Let us see. Okay, so see here, Nana, you will be having 2 number in the card, you will be having 3, you will be having 4, you will be having 5, you will be having 6, you will be having 7, you will be having 8, you will be having 9, and you will be also having 10. So these numbers you can see in the deck of cards. Can you see 1? No, you cannot see 1. Why? Because the 1 number is not present in the deck of cards. And what are the other cards you will be seeing? So that is J, you can see Jack, Q means Queen, K means King, and we have one more important, that is A, Ace. We call that as Ace, A-C-E. J means Jack, J-A-C-K. Queen, Q-U-E-E-N. King, you know, K-I-N-G. So these are all the numbers you can see, and those letters also you can see in the deck of cards. And what are the symbols you can see? What are the symbols you can see? You might be hearing about different names for different symbols. But what are the symbols you have means, see here, Nana, there will be a symbol like this. Most of the students will be telling it is a leaf shape, but it is not leaf, it is spade. What do we call it, Nana? Spade. Okay, and next you have one more symbol, that is this one. So some students will be telling it is a flower, but it is not flower, that is club. This is club shape, that is club shape. Okay, and you will be having some other symbol like this one. So some students will be telling it is rhombus, but it is not rhombus, it is diamond. Okay, so this shape is diamond shape. I hope you can see this one. Right, next you have this symbol, which is very interesting, I think, for some students. Right, now what is this symbol? Most of the students will be telling it is love symbol, but it is not love, it is heart. What it is, Nana? That is heart. So this is diamond. So I am using a different color sketch here. Why? Because these two symbol cards will be in black color and these two symbol cards will be in red color, Nana. Okay, so see here, in black color club you have same cards, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace. Okay, you'll be having those same cards, and in diamond also you'll be having the same cards. So that is again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K and Ace. Clear? In heart shape also you will be having same cards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, Q, K and Ace. K and Ace none. Okay, clear? I hope you can see this. If you can't see, just see, I think you might be knowing the same numbers will be present in red color also. Okay, now so see here, in each symbol how many cards are there, you count now. So see here, this is the first card, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters, 9 numbers and 4 letters. Total how many, Nana? Total 13 cards in each symbol. How many? 13 cards in each symbol. So this is 13, this is 13. Okay, here these are 13 diamond and 13 heart none. Okay. So see here, if you add these two, 13 plus 13, 13 plus 13, you have how many cards here? You have a total of 26 red color cards. 26 red color cards. Okay. And if you observe here, black cards 13 and 13, both again if you add them, you will get again 26 black cards. How many, Nana? 26 black cards. Okay. So this is our complete deck of cards. So how many cards are there in a complete deck of cards? So black cards we have 26, red cards we have 26, a total of how many, Nana? That is 52 cards. Total of how many? 52 cards. 13, 13, 13, 13, total 52. You can also count like this, 26 black cards, 26 red cards. Okay. So see here, what symbol is there in which color is also important. Okay. Do you have red diamond? Yes. Do you have red heart? Yes. Do you have black heart? No. We don't have heart in black color. Clear? Like that you should understand. So see here, under each and every symbol we have how many cards, Nana? We have a total of, under each symbol we have a total of 13 cards. In that 13 cards we have 9 number cards, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we have total of 9 number cards and 4 letter cards. 4 letter cards now. Okay. See here, now let me ask you some question. In whole deck, okay, in the complete deck of cards, how many number cards are there? How many number cards are there? In spade you have 9, in club you have 9, in diamond you have 9, and in heart shape also you have 9. A total number cards how many, Nana? Total number cards are 9 4s are 36. Total number cards are 36. Okay. Now you tell me what is the total letter cards, total number of letter cards. In spade you have 4, club you have 4, diamond you have 4 and heart also you have 4. So total letter cards will be how many? That is 4 4s are 16. Here also you get a total of 52 cards. Okay. In the letter cards there is a sub case. What is that means? Have you ever seen Jack, Queen, King card? So what is the difference you observe from all the different cards and those cards? You will be finding some figures on J, Q, K. Right, Nana? On J you will be having a Jack face. On Q you will be having a Queen with face. Okay. However he will be having face. Right. And King. king figure will be there. That means you can see some faces on those three cards, J, Q, K, right Nana? So here we call these J, Q, K cards as what Nana? We call these cards as face cards. What do we call it? We call these cards as face cards. Clear? So total how many face cards we have here? We have a total of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many cards? Total of 12 cards. Okay, total 12 face cards we have. How many red face cards we have? 3 plus 3, only 6. How many black face cards we have? 3 plus 3, 6. How many spade face cards? Spade face cards. Under spade, face cards are only 3. J, Q, K. Okay, now. So, see here, we can say these are all letter cards. In the letter cards, these are face cards. Okay, how many letter cards we have, Nana? We have letter cards are 16. Face cards are 12. Number cards are 36. Each and every minute detail is important here. Okay, if you have this complete knowledge only, you can easily solve the problems. Okay, Nana. I hope you have understood this one. These are called the number cards. Those are called the letter cards. And what are the face cards? J, Q, K are the face cards. Clear? Now, let us see some problems. Like, one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. That means we have 52 cards, right? From a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, calculate the probability that the card will be an ace. That the card will be an ace. So see here, he is asking us to find out the probability of finding an ace, right Nana? So what is the probability of getting an ace is our question. So see here, what is probability of ace here? So how many favorable outcomes we have there? Ace are, we have 4 ace, right? 4. Out of total how many cards we have? A total of 52. So what is the answer now? 4 ones are 4, 13 are. Answer is 1 by 13. Answer is 1 by 13. Similarly, not an ace, not an ace. When you find the word not, you think that event is a complementary. So probability of ace is 1 by 13. What is the probability of not ace? What is the probability of not getting ace? That is simply you subtract from 1. Subtract from 1. That is 1 minus probability of ace. That is probability of not getting ace is 1 minus probability of ace, right? So this is equals to 1 minus probability of ace is 1 by 13. So what is the answer now? 13 ones are 13 minus 1. That is 12 by 13. 12 by 13 is the answer for probability of not getting an ace, Nana. Okay. I hope you have understood this one. Let us see some more problems related to cards. Okay, Nana. Right, Nana. See here. Here is a question. Rahim removes all the hearts from the deck. Rahim removes all the hearts from the deck. What is the probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack? Getting an ace from the remaining pack. Here you have probability of ace, and now we are discussing the probability of ace only. But what is the condition? He has removed all the hearts from the deck. He has removed all the hearts from the deck, Nana. Okay, now how many cards remain, Nana? A total of 32, 39 only now. If we have a total of how many cards now? We have only total 39. Why? Because all hearts are removed. That means 13 cards are removed. Now you see here, what is the probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack? Now how many ace we have there? We have only 3 ace and total cards are 39. So what is the answer here? Here the answer is 1 by 13. Getting a diamond. How many diamond cards are there? We have, that is probability of a diamond card. So we have a total of 13 diamond cards. We have total 13 diamond cards out of 39 total cards. We have total of 39 cards. In that we have 13 diamond cards. So simplify it, you'll get 1 by 3. What is the answer here? 1 by 3, Nana. And next, getting a card that is not a heart. Getting a card that is not a heart. See here, however we have removed all the hearts. So all other cards which are in the deck, remaining in the deck, are all favorable, right? We should pick up a card, it should not be a heart. However, it will not be a heart. Why? Because we have removed all the hearts here. So favorable outcomes will be 39 and total outcomes are also 39. So here the probability value is 1. What do we call if the probability of an event is 1? What kind of event is that? That is sure event or certain event. That is sure event or certain event. Next one. What is the probability of getting ace of hearts? What is the probability of getting ace of hearts? Already we have removed all the hearts. So from where we can get ace of hearts? So there are no favorable outcomes for this event. So that is 0 favorable outcomes by total 39. So here the probability value is 0. Probability value is 0. What do we call this kind of event whose probability is 0? Whose probability is 0 means it is an impossible event or uncertain event. Okay, Nana? It is an impossible event or uncertain event. Clear? So in this way you can find out the problems. See here, what is the probability of selecting out a red king from deck of cards? Red king from deck of cards. That means from deck of cards means you have to consider 52 cards. Nana. How many red kings will be there? One will be in diamond and one will be in heart. So there are 2 favorable outcomes out of 52 cards. So probability of red king will be 2 by 52, which is equals to 1 by 26. Okay, now. So in this way you can find all the problems. Okay. So try out the remaining problems in the textbook. I hope you can easily solve them. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. And also let me ask you a question. If you can comment in the comment section. Okay, Nana, I'll tell you the answer in my next class. What is the probability of getting red ace? What is the probability of getting red ace? Okay, so find out the answer for this one and try to comment in the comment section. Okay, Nana, I hope you have understood the class. Okay, so if you like the class, please do like it, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and we'll be meeting in our next class. Till then, bye.
Familiar.